Welcome to a new video to learn some tips that you can use in your e-commerce with coupon notifications. Let's take a look at 3 examples. In the first case, we will use a banner that will appear on the screen to inform us of new products, offer a discount coupon, or any message you want to display. The advantage of using ASAP Convert versus plugins or web editors that already have this function is that you won't lose loading speed in your site because it doesn't take space in your hosting. In the following example, we are going to configure a coupon type notification so that it appears when the user wants to leave the web. Let's imagine that the user, after having searched for a certain product, decides to continue browsing to look for other options or prices. We can offer a small discount that lasts a certain time so that the user has the urge to buy. We can use this strategy with any type of notification. In the last example, let's imagine a customer who has put several products in the cart and is on the final page for purchase. It has been a while and he has not made up his mind. We can set up a notification to appear after some time to convince the user, generate a sense of urgency, and make him buy the products. 92% of purchases are impulsive, so by setting small triggers we can create the right emotions and win the conversion. Thanks for watching.